coffee right from your own counter. SCA certified means precision standards, temperature, extraction, time, and consistency. It's gold cup performance for your morning cup of coffee.
For more than 50 years, Technivorm has successfully combined the best innovations of modern product development and design to bring the real taste of coffee to millions of people worldwide via their Moccamaster coffee brewers. Providing the perfect cup comes from the design of our brewers that meet strict guidelines set forth by the ECBC and SCA Gold Cup brewing standards for the 4 T's. Temperature. Moccamaster's copper boiling element brews between 196 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit and holds the brewed coffee between 175 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit via an independent hot plate element. Time. A full carafe brews in 4 to 6 minutes with the correct saturation time. Turbulence. This brew process creates a perfect coffee bloom and even extraction. And total dissolved solids, or TDS. Solubles between 18% and 22% in every cup. Quality in craftsmanship is also important, which is why every Moccamaster coffee brewer carries a 5-year warranty and is handmade in the heart of the Netherlands using only quality European parts that ensures longevity of your brewer and are cleanable, repairable, recyclable, sustainable, and plastics are BPA, BPS, BPF, and phthalate-free. Moccamaster coffee brewers are timeless in design and will grace your home with elegance that's matched only by its quality.
Using the COSORI pour-over coffee maker is quick and easy. Because brewing the perfect cup of coffee doesn't have to be complicated. Begin by placing the filter into the mouth of the decanter. Add 1 level scoop of medium coarse ground coffee to the filter. Shake gently to level the grounds. The coffee to water ratio is 1 scoop of grounds to 1/2 cup of water, but you can adjust to your taste. Starting in the middle, pour some hot water over the grounds in a slow spiral motion, just enough to saturate the grounds. Wait 30 to 45 seconds. Pour the remaining hot water over the grounds, this time starting at the outer rim and moving inward. If the water reaches the top of the filter, allow it to settle to halfway before continuing to pour. When you are finished, remove the filter and discard the used coffee grounds. To clean, remove the wooden sleeve and tie. Then wipe them with a wet cloth. Hand wash the glass decanter, measuring scoop, and filter with hot soapy water. Or just place them in the dishwasher, ensuring the plastic scoop is always on the top rack. Check that the wooden sleeve is completely dry before placing it back on the decanter. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or just starting out, the COSORI pour-over coffee maker is the perfect brewing tool.